Hi, today I'm going to show you how to upload your project to GitHub. First, we need to create a repository. On your GitHub homepage, click New on the left sidebar. This opens the repository creation form. Type a name for your repo, add a description, and choose its visibility, public or private. You can also add a README or a gitignore file. In my case, I already have these in my local project, so I'll skip them. Leave the license as none, then click Create Repository. Now your repo is created. In the Code tab, you'll see a quick setup section. Click the blue link that says Uploading an existing file. Go to your projects folder on your computer, select all the files you want to upload, and drag them into the browser window. Wait for the upload to finish. Once the upload is done, scroll down and click Commit Changes to save everything to your repository. And that's it. Your project is now live on GitHub. If this helped, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.